see what's going on. Got this thing looking good. So we can try to get this figured out and get my boy on the road. Trying to get him sliding. Yes, sir. Got the light bar loaded up on there. What up, YouTube? We back at it. I hope y'all enjoyed the ride and videos from the weekend, man. We was sliding. Y'all don't know how good it felt to ride after literally just working and working and working. But we back at it. We head in the shop right now, man. So we about to get back to it. Count your blessings, because if you're trying to get into the 2017 Road King giveaway, you are literally probably on the last week. I'm really hoping. We are down right under 40 now, so it's going fast. I'm trying to get it over with as soon as possible so we could pick the winner. If you want to be a winner, go ahead and go in the description below, cop you a red SLIDN beanie, and that's going to be your entry to enter the giveaway, man. But from then, we gonna go live on YouTube. You already know. Check my community tab on YouTube for any updates or any of that. Besides that, we're gonna go live on there and pick the winner. So if you want to be featured in the giveaway, man, this is your time now. And go in the description below and grab you a SLIDN beanie. But stay tuned. We about to get these bikes done. Yes, sir. We are back in the shop, y'all. Home of the colors. I see all these colors in here going crazy. Famous light. So boom. I remember this joint. Got that candy red, yes sir. I love this bike, I'm not gonna lie to you. Texas, you one lucky person, man. Seriously. Wipe the camera, there we go. So yeah, if y'all haven't watched the videos, y'all just tuning in. This bike was in a giveaway. So I picked it up from Arizona. Finally got it going, got it redone. I took the frame off, took the motor off the frame, powder coated the frame, got it all powder coated up. We even got the black parts powder coated, blacked out. Then we got that nice candy paint by Antonio to match. He entered my giveaway and he claimed it, and it's his, and this thing is headed to him as soon as it's completely done. We're aiming for this thing to be done by next week. We're held up by a few little small things, but don't even worry about it. We're going to get it handled. Now, we did do a lot of work to this bike, from frame off, motor. I had to swap the transmission because the housing came cracked and whatnot, but we got it on its way. Y'all see what's going on. Y'all see how good this thing looks. This bike was one for $100. Literally, this could be you. I'm not just saying this to say it. This guy literally got this for $100, and he's getting this bike dropped off, completely done, head to toe, from Builtbydre himself. It don't get no better than that, I'm telling y'all. Tap in and get y'all one while you can, man. I'm telling you. You can enter for my 2017 right now. 2017 M8 Road King, fully done, ready to ride and slide, man. This could be you. We sliding. Y'all see what's going on. On another note, we got this joint right here. This thing should be heading out any day. Shout out to my loyal subscribers. I really appreciate y'all. I'm so glad I mentioned it in the last video, and somebody actually commented and said they had one. So I'm linking up with him right now through email. I'm about to get that thing shipped to me. Hopefully this week, we're going to get it on its way out here. So stay tuned for that. I appreciate him for that, because that is the last thing this bike needs. It's literally that sprocket, the belt drive right here. This is the one on here that is the wrong size, so we're gonna pop that off, and we're gonna get that one on there as soon as we receive it in the mail. So y'all gonna see this thing on its way out real soon. Besides that, we got my boy Road King. Same thing with this thing. We did hella shit, got washers, everything looking good on here, but only thing we're waiting on is like the starter and this one little brake thing right here, because I gotta bleed the brake. I made him do the single disc. It looks so much better. See the whole rim on this side fully. It looks good. Then on top of that, this part was scraped. We already got brand new lever, so we're waiting on this fresh chrome one. As soon as we get them last few pieces, you already know he's definitely gonna be out there making a statement. This thing look good as hell. This thing looks so nice. I cannot wait. This thing is dope. But yeah, man, we coming, y'all. I'm about to have no bikes in the shop in a minute, literally. That's about to get shipped out in like a week and a half. That thing should be out of here this week. I'm going for hard. This thing should be out of here. I say not this week, next week for sure. Anybody got some jobs they want to get knocked out, not too big, or I'm not even tripping. Y'all got anything y'all trying to get knocked out, shoot me an email at builtbydre@yahoo.com. You can get your bike in the shop. It could be featured on the channel, and you can most definitely get some work done by Builtbydre himself. So if you want to get in and get your bike in here and get it right back out to you, let me know. Let me know what you want done or what you're trying to do. I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I would really prefer if I had somebody trying to get some work done that wanted to take the frame off how this bike came out. Y'all see how good this bike look right now. Literally, the way the frame is sitting on there, matching that paint. Y'all see the flakes. This is not made up. This is real deal Holyfield. Y'all see the flakes right there. Y'all see what's going on, man. How could you not? Like, come on, man. If anybody want to get a bike framed off like that, let me know, man. It's crunch time. I don't got no bikes in the shop. I got one at the frame doctor I'm waiting on, but they ain't here yet. So y'all want to get some work done, tap in at builtbydre@yahoo.com, man. I'll get you in and out. I'm about to have nothing on my shoulder, so you already know what's going on. But besides that, man, we about to try to do what we could. I'm still waiting on the tire for this joint to come in the mail, so I can't really do too much with this. I'm so thirsty. I want to just wipe it down, but I'm going to just go over it, finish getting the headlight assembled. And I seen all the comments you guys are telling me about the headlight. I'm going to most definitely give them the full shout out that I want to do. But I'm going to go with my original plan and do it when the bike is complete. So that way I can show you guys. Y'all can see it in the moment. Y'all can see it working. Y'all can see the outcome of it, the full result. Right now, I'm only able to show you guys what it could be, but I know what it should be. So we're going to wait until the bike is complete, and we're going to go ahead and get that out for y'all so y'all can tap in with them good peoples and get them headlights on the bikes, because they make them for street glides, road kings, and road glides. That's crazy. We got all three in the shop. Y'all got to let me know right now. Comment below which one is your favorite. Not which color bike, but which bike particularly is your favorite. A road king. Got the road king. He got the windshield, so he looking good. Got the Road King with the bars. I look at these like a mini bike almost. I'm not going to lie to y'all. We got the Road King mini bike style. We got the Road Glide big daddy style. This shit is huge. This is a big fairing. I felt it yesterday riding my boy bike. I'm telling y'all, that thing was huge. Like, it's cool though, because it's like a Road King just with a fairing on it. So you still get full control of your bars. Now, we got the Streetglide right here. This is a little bit different. When you move the bars, you move the fairing. So that's just all three styles. Y'all let me know what's your favorite though, man. I want to know, because everybody got their own styles. A lot of LA people love the Road Glides, Road Kings, like they street bikes out here. Everybody got their own little perspective on what they like and what they don't like. The Streetglide was my first bike. I feel like this is the most common favorite bike just worldwide. And then it's these ones on some other stuff, just my opinion. But I'm with whatever. I ain't gonna lie to y'all. Shit, I'll ride this Streetglide all day right here. Y'all see how wet this thing and good this thing look. I would definitely be out there putting in some miles on this joint if it was mine. But it's not. It was one for $100, man. So if you're trying to be like that winter in Texas, go in the description below. Grab you a SLIDN beanie, man. We're gonna be out here. But enough of this talking. Let's get to work. We got the belt drive off of there. I just did some simple research. So basically, this is the one that I took off of here. I feel like this is off of a Dyna just because it's so small. It doesn't say the amount of tooths on here, but I counted. It's either a 61 or a 60, around that range. Not a 66 though, that's for sure. So that's that. This is the one that was originally on the Harley. I was trying to explain to you guys. It slides on by the belt and the cush drive right here. So that's that. Now, this is a 68 tooth. You see that? 68. Sit that on there. Let's sit this one. Look at the difference of that. Look how much space is around on all around. So that already says right there, this is not it. This is too small. This is for sale. And we have to get a 68 tooth. My boy have a 66 on YouTube. That comment on there, I'm gonna try to grab that one from him. But I'm trying to make sure I don't need this one, a 68. So we're about to figure it out, because 68, 66, that tooth between can be adjusted from the wheel. That's for sure. So I don't know. Y'all let me know in the comments below. Let me know what y'all think. But I'm going with the 68. If I can find a 68 that bolts up like this, I'm gonna go with the 66 if that's the closest one to that. So that's what we're doing with that. That's the homework that we're gonna be on. I mean, the homework that I did so we could try to get this figured out and get my boy on the road. I'm trying to get him sliding. I done did so much work to this bike. We didn't fully transform this bike from it being silver, not silver, the Nardo gray with the candy red. Now this thing is a beautiful Harley, looking good. So stay tuned, man. We're about to get this thing on its way, y'all. Y'all see what's going on. So y'all already know how I am with cleaning the shop. I'll be trying to clean, arrange stuff, keep everything organized so everything can stay moving and stay consistent. And with that happening, came across a light bar. So what I was just explaining to y'all in the video, if y'all seen people watching, when I was assembling this fender on here, I had basically noticed that bar that I had right here that usually have this connector slides through this hole and it goes into the light down here. Now basically this has no hole. This is on here for no reason. It's really flat metal. Then now on top of that, the original light that I had on here literally isn't this one. So basically when I got it from the auction, let me find the light. Come on, light, I just had you right here. So look, basically this was the light. This was the exact piece that was on this bike when it crashed. This is the light that was on here. So I was looking around because on the one on here, it has connectors right here on this side. It's one in there and it's another one on that side. So basically this is the older style one where it has a wire that comes from here and it runs through the side to the connector inside of there. So I have to take that one off, go and get this one from Harley so we can bolt it to there. This is when it's broke, the wire got snatched out. And this light bar is the wrong one. So we're not gonna use these and we're not gonna use that one. We're gonna go to Harley and buy the bottom light. Then now on top of that, I now have this light bar I can throw on here because these are the connectors that I need. I need the 2 black connectors to go into both of these right here for the blinkers instead of the other way, which is like this. This one is on the same year bike. This is a 2009, that is a 2012. That setup that I tried to put on here is on here. He has this light bar, which has that big connector to go in that circle right up under there. Let me see. Y'all can see. See it go through the fender, comes out through the fender, and it goes down through there into here, how this is. Then he has that connector, which goes through here, up and around on the bike, like I was saying. So all these are different. It'd be the little stuff like that you just got to be on. But I knew I wasn't tripping when I was first doing it. I'm like, it's a whole complete different setup. But like I said, I'm glad I got it figured out. We're going to assemble this light. I'm going to throw it up on there, get that on there. Then we'll be able to put the red light, the whole complete assembly right here. So we're about to get this going today, y'all. We got some progress going on this joint, man. So stay tuned. We knocking it out and we getting it, man. We got this thing coming. And we got the license plate holder, so we really in the game now. We sliding. So we just readjusted the shop. I had to like clean some stuff up. Y'all see we got the whole 2 shelves empty. We about to bring the whole Streetglide paint for the bike that's at the frame doctor right now. We're gonna bring it in the shop, put everything in here, load it up, get it ready to get it painted. We can get everything on the way right now while the bike is still there. I have to tell myself I can still keep it going. So that's what we about to do. We're about to load it up, so stay tuned. I have so many parts down here, it's crazy. So, and I still have parts in my other storage, but I just laid out all my parts. I'm about to go ahead and get all this powder coat. So stay tuned. About to powder coat the floorboards, the cups, the brake bracket, horn, intake, inner primary, outer primary, the legs, and those back brackets. Just until it comes so we could be on the road with everything else. That bike will be away for giveaway, so stay tuned for that. Y'all be able to watch the process just like this and also have it at your door, man. So go ahead and make sure you enter to win. This can be you, man. This definitely can be you. Yes, sir. We got that light bar bolted up on there. Got it looking good, nice and complete in the back. I like how I got the black lenses. I got to get the bolts for the red brake light, but we got it on there wired in. Got the seat on this joint. I don't know what I think my other seat's all in my storage. I don't even know where this one came from. Having way too many, but y'all see what's going on. Got this thing looking good. About to just finish getting this thing on its way, man. I cannot wait to see this bike complete, but it's definitely coming. Y'all see how this bike just was a week ago. Just a week ago, this thing was just sitting on the frame with the bare motor, nothing else. Now we got that fresh paint on there looking good. This thing definitely came a long way, especially from the beginning, from being hanging on by the little forklift, y'all. But y'all see what's going on, man. We got this thing coming along. Like I said, I'm taking this to get painted, so that's not going to be black. We're getting that wet up so everything can match and flow as it should. So stay tuned for that, y'all. We sliding. This is the actual transmission off of the Streetglide right here from Arizona. I took it out because It was cracked right there in the back. I could have left it, but instead I'm not doing it like that. I don't want no half-ass work out here with my name on it. So I took it off another bike I got from the auction and swapped it out. I took the insides out of this transmission and put it onto this bike right here because his gears were wore out. So we did that. We did two things out of this one thing. So that's the whole thing about it, man. Y'all see what's going on. We got to make it happen by all means and keep the business rolling. We just went ahead and picked everything up. We got the back fender, side panels, bags, gas tank. We got to order an inner fairing, outer fairing, and we have to maybe get another gas tank. It has a mini dent on there. We're going to see what Antonio can do. But we're going to go ahead and get these parts ready to get them assembled onto this bike. Ready to get it bust down to get it to the paint. So we can get that on its way and get everything going. So stay tuned for that, y'all. We sliding. And get these parts powder coated for that bike too. This is going to come out very dope, nice. Everything's going to get hit. So stay tuned for that. I'll see what's going on. I literally almost thought I can use this inner fairing, but it do got cracks above up there, so we're going to definitely have to order an inner fairing. We're going to get the inner outer fairing and get this thing on its way. It's so crazy because when I first got this bike, this paint set wasn't done yet, and I was so amazed. I'm like, damn, this is a nice color, because the frame was already hit on this bike. And now I compare it, this is more so of a real like reddish right here compared to like right there. Y'all see what I'm saying? Like, this is more of an orangey color right here, I'll say. Then this is like real deal red. So that just definitely showed me the difference. And I think this is a CVO, not the CVO, the limited, whatever. It's crazy, but definitely see the difference. But yeah, man, we got this thing going, looking good. About to have this bike complete on its way out. Like I said, we're about to get prepared for this next bike, get everything sped up. I meant that when I told y'all we're gonna make everything flow a lot much faster. So stay tuned for this roller coaster, man. We got it going. So stay tuned. We're about to be rolling and sliding, not hiding.